City Social Welfare and Development Officer. Okay. Next, so we have certificate of participation is awarded to Nelly Daguno, Vilma Bakiri, Divine Grace de la Serna, Jocelyn Minova, Ray Shirley Antonio, Riain Sadiaga, Annalie Nagizara, and of course, we have Lilian Pereira. To award and to announce the winner for the Gandang Solo Mom Eco-Friendly Costume Competition will be announced by Ma'am Sara. Okay, Ma'am Sara?